Indima 5, Umboniso 1, Act 5, Scene 1. This takes place in Umtata. KuseMtata, iminyaka lishumi elinesibini. 12 years have passed since uNomampondomise ebhubhile, since Nomampondomise's death. uGugulethu uphangela eBhungeni. Gugulethu works for the council in Umtata, and Agasa Goduki has never been home. Ngale mini, on this day, sibona kufika uNyaniso noMthetho. On this day we see the arrival of Nyaniso and Mthetho. Gugulethu having come to Gugulethu, Beze kumphuthuma, having come to fetch him. Molweni Bawokazi, greetings uncles. Ewe mfowam, reciprocal greeting. Kunjani ke nisavukile Bawokazi? Are you all still well? Hayi sihleli, no, we are fine. Kunjani kuwe, and what about you? Akukho nto, no problems, sisaphila, we are well. Mthetho asks, kutheni na Radebe wafaka impahla ezimnyama? Why, Radebe, are you wearing black clothes, the clothes of mourning? Okoko ndashiwa ngumfazi kaloku Bawokazi. It's been like that ever since my wife left me. In other words, my wife died, uncle. Wuphi umfazi? Which wife? Akumazi umfazi wam? Do you not know my wife? Endimaziyo akazange afe. The one I know never died. Uva ndibuza nje, as you hear me asking. I masiyeke le ndawo Bawokazi. No, let's not talk. Let's change the subject, uncle. Usaphila ubawo? Is my father still well? Usaphila ngolo hlobo. He is still well, as he always was. Nangoku sithunywe nguye, and we are here, even now we are here, sithunywe nguye, having been sent by him, ukuba size kuphuthuma wena. He sent us to come and fetch you, uke ugoduke, so that you can go home. I Bawokazi, no uncle, mna andinakhaya. I have no home. Kutheni watsho, and why do you say so? Buzani kubawo. Gugulethu mfana wam, Gugulethu my boy, noko ngoku kwanele oku kwenzekileyo. Up to this point now, kwanele oku kwenzekileyo, enough has happened. Ngenxa kayihlo, because of your father, neenkani zakhe, and his stubbornness. Mininzi imiphefumlo. Many lives, many souls have been lost because of him. Ingenatyala, many innocent souls have been lost because of him. Kengoku Hlubi, and so therefore Hlubi, makungaphindi kwenzeke elinye inyala. Let not another disaster inyala take place. Let there be no more. Masimdanise uSatan, let us disappoint the devil, Satan. Kudala edlala ngati. For too long has he been playing with us. Hamba nathi sigoduke Hlubi. Come with us. Come home with us, Hlubi. Hayi sukulahleka Bawokazi. No, don't miss the point. Or you are missing the point, uncle. uthi imiphefumulo engenatyala ilahlekile. You say innocent souls, innocent lives have been lost. Uze kwawena uphinde uthi, and then you again say, makungalahleki yimbi, that no more must be lost. Uthini ngale isaphilayo inetyala? What about this one who is still alive? What about this guilty one who is still alive? I suppose referring to himself. Uthini ke hlubi ngomfazi lowa? So what do you say then about that wife? Bawokazi, uncle, owam umfazi, my wife nankuya elele phezu komthatha. My wife is over there, lies there buried next to the Umtata River. Andinawumbi, I have no other. Siyakuthini ke kuyihlo xa sifika. And so what are we going to say to your father when we get home, when we get there? Maze nimxelele ukuba andisoze ndilubeke olwam unyawo apho ndisaphila. Maze nimxelele, tell him that andisoze ndilubeke olwam unyawo, that I will never place my foot apho there ndisaphila whilst I'm still alive. I came for one. Okay then, my boy. Asinako ukukujika. We cannot influence, we cannot change you. Umdala ungaka nje, old as you are. Ke si yoyesakala, so we give up. Nangona inhliziyo zethu, even though our hearts zibuhlungu ngawe, literally are sore about you. We are heart sore about you. Nam ndiva kabuhlungu bawukazi. I'm also sad, uncle. Kodwa ke akukho ndlela, but there's no other way. Hayi nyaniso, siwenzile owethu umsebenzi. Nyaniso, we have done our work. Njengoko sewutshilo, and as you have already said, asinakunyanzela umfana. We cannot force the young man. Aka ngomntwana, he is not a child. Mna ndithi masicele indlela. I say that literally we should ask for the road, that we must take our leave. Hayi hambani bawukazi. No, go then, uncle. Phofu. However, aninakuhamba ngoku. Niyakuhamba kusasa. You cannot go now. Rather go in the morning. Kodwa masincokole ezinye ngoku. But now let's rather talk about something else. Enye into mandinibambe izandla ndibulise. And another thing is, let me shake your hands and say goodbye. Kuba hleze ndingaphindi ndibe nalo ithuba ngomso. Hleze, just in case I do not have the opportunity ngomso tomorrow. Uyabaxhawula, he shakes their hand. Nibulise kakhulu kumama, kubawo nakubanta kwethu. Give my greetings to my mother, father, and everyone at home. Nitsho bancede bandithandazele. And ask them to please pray for me. Nani ningalibali ukundithandazela. And also you, do not forget to pray for me. Liyaduduma, there is thunder. Liyaduduma, there is thunder.